Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be how hard it is to take off a car door, right? So let's get in the car and let's get to the donor car that we going to put the door from. So let's do it. So there's no car. So why would you need to do something like this, you may ask? If your door damaged and you went to the junkyard and you might happen to see a same door like your door, same car like your car without the door, with the good door, you can go ahead and just take the door off just like this. So I'm gonna show you. As you see, there's no door right here. Or you can just take your doors off and go to the beach. I'm just kidding. So this is the donor car right here. We have a good door. You want to make sure you have the blind spot monitoring system if your car have it. So the car I'm taking it from have it, so I just gotta make sure it have it. Go ahead and open the door and we gonna get started. All right, so we got our gloves on, keep our hand clean, put a crate under there or something under there if it's you alone, and then you want to come down right here and remove this door check right here. It's gonna be 10mm. So this car is a Mazda 3, but your car probably be 10mm, 12mm, depends on whatever car you have, but the process is basically the same because all car door, or most car doors, are like this. So after we take that off, the next one you want to take off right here is from the inches. So we can, if your inches is bad, you can remove it from here, but if your inches is good, you can just remove it from right here. So we just need to remove these four bolts. So we just want to remove all the one from the bottom first. So we get all the one from the bottom, and then we're going to get all the one from the top. So you want to take the top one off last. So we'll remove this one right here. And once you do that, the door gonna come and sit right down on the crate or whatever you have there. So now the door come down. So now the door is like loose from the car, so you can just pull back on it a little bit. Alright, so the next step is to get your flathead screwdriver. You want to get in here, try to peel the rubber off first, because this is just a rubber, so you want to peel it off. You want to use your two hand to peel that off. So you just want to peel that off, right? And then this have some clips here you want to pry out like that. Then you want to push down on the clips while prying it out. So once you do that, you can see it's gonna come out like that, and then we just need to pry it back. So this have a clip right here like that, and push this back. So once that is removed, now your door is completely off the car. So we're gonna go ahead and remove it like this. Alright guys, so as you see here, we have our door, which is good. And I'm just gonna put this crate right here, and then we're gonna get the door and the crate. Let's get the door on. So you wanna have the door and the crate. Make sure the door is balanced on the crate, so the crate. Make sure the door is balanced on the crate so the crate don't flip over with the door. Then you're gonna have to take the door off another car. So you can go ahead and plug this in first. Alright, so once that's plugged in, you can push it in. And let's get this in. So try to catch one screw first. So you just want to catch one screw first and then catch the rest after you line it up. Okay, so quick note, it's easier to catch the bottom screws first, the bottom bolts, and then you can lean the door forward and catch the two top one next. So as you see, we're gonna catch this one now. And we're gonna catch the other one. And we're just gonna run them in. So once that is done and you tighten up these, you can go ahead and remove the crate, and your door gonna still be up because now it's on the inches. So let's go ahead and catch this 10mm for your door check. And that's it. We can go ahead and lock this back in with put the rubber over it first and then lock it in. So let's go ahead and put the rubber back on this, and then we can lock it back into place. So guys, as you can see, now that's that. And you also gonna need to change this from the older car. And we also want to check to make sure the door closed properly. which it do, so that's good. And we need to take out the door cylinder, so we need to remove this black piece. But let's get back over there in the shop and then we do this part. So guys, this is the one from the old door, and the reason why you need this is so your key can work, your original key, or else you're gonna have to cut a key for this. So it's easier to just take this out. This is what it look like when it's out the door, and I'm gonna show you how to replace it. So you want to get your flathead screwdriver just to pull this one out. It look like somebody tried to pull this one out already. So get one flathead screwdriver, get up in here and pull that out. In there you're gonna see, oh, it's missing. So somebody already running this old door, so it's missing already. You're supposed to have like a T25 screw that's go right here, but it's already missing. So this one will come out. You can get your flathead screwdriver and go in here also and pry it out. So you can use your flathead screwdriver to pry it out, and it's gonna come out like this, just like the old one. Don't mix them up. If you mix them up and you put back the wrong one, you're gonna have to do the job 2 times. So you just want to find the grooves that it go in inside, and it will go right in like that. And we need to put a screw in here so it can stick. So I'll probably try to get the screw from the old door if it will come out like that. Alright guys, so you want to make sure this don't drop in the door, and I gotta make sure I don't drop this in the door, because if I drop this in the door, you better believe it, I'm leaving it like that. So let's check the handle. Alright, so I guess I don't need to go that deep. Alright, I got it in there. Just gonna tighten it up, because if I drop that in the door, I'm not taking this panel off. Well, you guys have to take the panel off, but not me. But I got it in there, so no worries on that. Let's just tighten it up. Okay guys, so the next step is to just put this right here. And that's it for this video guys. Peace out, see you next time. Subscribe to the channel, help me grow. Check out my other video. Peace out, share the love.